student, we have learned the point anomalous behavior of water. What is mean by anomalous behavior of water? That is, when we supply the heat to the water at 4 degrees Celsius, instead of expanding, it contract. So this behavior of water is different than other substances. So in the temperature range between 0 degree to 4 degrees Celsius, the volume of water become minimum. So its density become maximum. Always remember, volume is inversely proportional to density. That is, when volume increases, density decreases. When volume decreases, density increases. So these two quantities are inversely proportional. So at 4 degrees Celsius, when volume of water is minimum, its density is maximum. So this behavior of water is different than other substances. So it is called as anomalous behavior of water. So how to study the anomalous behavior of water? The scientists of Hope discovered the apparatus to study the anomalous behavior of water. So today we are going to learn study of anomalous behavior of water using Hope's apparatus. So what is the Hope's apparatus? You can see in this diagram. This is the Hope's apparatus. This is the cylindrical container, you can see, which contain the water. This is the flat bowl which contain the freezing mixture. Freezing mixture means mixture of ice and salt. Then thermometer T1 is attached below the cylindrical container. T2 is attached above the cylindrical container. You can see this is the vessel which collect the water coming from this apparatus. So this is the construction of Hope's apparatus. This is the graph. That is, we have to record the temperature in these two thermometers, T1 and T2. After every 30 seconds, we have to record the temperature in the thermometer T1 and thermometer T2. After that, we have to draw the graph temperature versus time. So you can see here, this is the temperature versus time graph. After studying this graph, we can understand what is the anomalous behavior of water. You can see in this diagram, that is T1, this graph represent the graph of thermometer T1. T2, this graph, you can see in this diagram, T2, this is graph of thermometer T2. When these two graphs intersect each other at one point, this point of intersection, you can see these 2 points intersect at 4 degrees Celsius. So at 4 degrees Celsius, volume of water is minimum, density is maximum. So point of intersection is called as maximum density. So step by step we are going to learn how this Hope's apparatus work. You can see point first, anomalous behavior of water can be studied with the help of Hope's apparatus. In Hope's apparatus, a flat bowl is attached to cylindrical container. You can see this flat bowl is attached to cylindrical container. Thermometer above T2 and below T1 are attached to the cylindrical container. Water is filled in the cylindrical container. Water is filled in this cylindrical container, and freezing mixture, that is mixture of ice and salt, is put in the flat bowl. That is, this flat bowl contains mixture of ice and salt. Then during study of anomalous behavior of water, temperature T1 and T2 recorded after every 30 seconds. That is, we have to record temperature in T1 and T2 after 30 seconds. And we have to plot the graph temperature versus time as shown in the figure. Initially, from the graph, both the temperature T1 and T2 present at the same temperature. You can see at 12 degrees Celsius, both the temperature T1 and T2 present at same temperature. That is, this thermometer T1 and T2 shows the same temperature initially. Then as the time passes, temperature T1 of water in lower part of cylinder decreases fast. That is, temperature in this thermometer which is attached below the cylindrical container, its temperature decreases fast. Why this temperature decreases fast? Because ice is present here. Because of that ice, the temperature of water present here decreases fast. So temperature in the T1 decreases fast. but T2 decreases slowly. You can see here. As time passes, temperature T1 of water in lower part of cylindrical decreases fast. Temperature T2 of water in upper part decreases slowly. Once the temperature T1 record 4 degrees Celsius, that is when the temperature in T1 decreases fast, when it comes at a 4 degrees Celsius, it remains almost stable. That is, this temperature remains as it is for some time. It does not come immediately 3 degrees Celsius, 2 degrees Celsius. It does not decrease. It remains as it is at a 4 degrees Celsius. After that, T2 decreases fast, or T2 start changing rapidly. During this time period, that is when temperature in the thermometer T1 come at 4 degrees Celsius, it remains as it is. At that time, T2 decreases fast. It records 0 degree first. You can see here, T2 first decreases slowly, then decreases fast, and it records 0 degrees Celsius first. Then T1 first decreases fast, after some time decreases slowly, it records 0 degrees Celsius after some time. Then the point of intersection of these two graphs or curve show temperature of maximum density. That is, the point of intersection of these two graphs is called as point of intersection. The point of intersection is present at, you can see here, at a 4 degrees Celsius. It is point of maximum density of water, that is at a 4 degrees Celsius, maximum density of water. That is at a 4 degrees Celsius, density of water is maximum, so volume is minimum. So from this graph, we can understand the anomalous behavior of water. Initially, the temperature of water in the middle of cylinder lowered due to freezing mixture in the outer bowl. That is, the temperature of water in this part, that is lower part of the cylinder, it decreases fast because of presence of ice in the middle. So what will happen? Temperature of the water in this lower part decreases fast. So temperature in the thermometer T1 decreases fast as compared to thermometer T2. So as temperature of the water in this part decreases, its volume decreases, and as volume decreases, density increases, because volume and density are inversely proportional to each other. Due to freezing mixture present in the flat bowl, the water present in the lower part, its temperature decreases, and due to decrease in temperature, its volume decreases, so density increases. So high density water moves in downward direction, that is high density water come in downward direction. So the lower thermometer T1 shows a rapid fall in temperature, and this will continue till the temperature of water become 4 degrees Celsius. That is, temperature in thermometer T1 fall rapidly up to 4 degrees Celsius, and at a 4 degrees Celsius it remains as it is for some time. When temperature of water start decreasing below 4 degrees Celsius, that is when temperature of thermometer T1 come below 4 degrees Celsius, that is 3 degrees Celsius, 2 degrees Celsius, then volume of the water increases. At that time, volume of water increases, density of water decreases. So less dense water moves in upward direction. So less dense water moves in upward direction. So this cool water goes in upward direction. This cold water moves in upward direction. So temperature in the thermometer T2 decreases fast. So temperature of water in upper part T2 decreases rapidly to 0 degrees Celsius. The temperature of water in the lower part T1 remains at a 4 degrees Celsius for some time, and then decreases slowly to 0 degrees Celsius. From the graph, you can see when we plot the graph of temperature versus time, we will get such a type of graph. The point of intersection of both the graph, it indicates the point of maximum density. That is, when density is maximum, volume is minimum. You can see here the point of intersection present at 4 degrees Celsius. So from the graph, it is clear that at a 4 degrees Celsius, density of water is maximum, that is volume is minimum. This is anomalous behavior of water. that is at a 4 degree Celsius, volume of water become minimum, density become maximum. It is called as anomalous behavior of water. That is, by studying this Hobbes apparatus, this experiment, by studying this graph, we can understand at a 4 degree Celsius, volume of water is minimum, so its density is maximum. This is called as anomalous behavior of water. So, when question is asked, explain the anomalous behavior of water using Hobbes apparatus, then you have to explain this apparatus, this experiment with this graph. That is, you have to draw this graph compulsory and give the explanation. That is, initially both the thermometer shows same temperature. After some time, T1 decreases fast, T2 decreases slowly, but at a 4 degree Celsius, temperature in the thermometer T1 remains as it is. At that time, temperature in T2 decreases fast. It first records 0 degree Celsius, that is, you can see here, it first records 0 degree Celsius, and T1 decreases slowly and come to 0 degree Celsius. So, the point of intersection of both these graphs present at 4 degree Celsius, it indicates maximum density of water at a 4 degree Celsius. So, its volume is minimum at a 4 degree Celsius. It is called as anomalous behavior of water.